everyone, so for this video I'm doing spring pink makeup tutorial. I know that I have done this, but I wanna do it again because the last one is so ugly. So I'm doing it again. So if you wanna know how to get this, so keep on watching. Okay, starting from the eyes, I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eyes and conceal my eyelid as well. Okay, then after that, I just take my pressed powder and just set the eyeshadow base so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Okay, then after that, for the eyeshadow, I'm taking Sigma Warm Neutral palette. I'm taking this pinky shade and just put it on my crease as my transition color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this reddish pink color. I'm taking on the outer corner and to the crease as well, just blending it to the crease. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this beautiful shimmery pink shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my gel liner and make with eyeliner like always. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop eye definer in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Okay, then after that, I just curl my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm just using my Pork Filler primer and just put it on the center of my face and just blending it all out. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm taking the Body Shop Moisture Foundation in the shade number 5 and just put it all over my face using buffing brush barrier technique to buff this foundation. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my concealer and just highlighting and conceal my dark circle, and then I put it on the center of my nose, I put it on my forehead, and I put it on my chin and just blending it all out. Then after that, I'm taking my powder and just set the concealer. I don't set my foundation because I don't like it. Okay, now for the bronzer, I'm taking Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil and just bronzing up my face, warming up my face. I don't really contour with this. Okay, now after that, I'm taking matte bronzer and just contouring my face. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop Baked Blush in the shade Coral and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. And then after that, I forgot to contour my nose, so I contour it. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop Shimmer Waves in the shade Blush and just highlighting my face. Okay, now we're back into the eyes. I'm taking this pink matte eyeshadow and just put it on the lower lash line. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this reddish shade and just put it on the outer corner, just blending it with the previous shade. Then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop eye definer and then I put it on my waterline. Then after that, I'm taking my mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. Then after that, I'm taking this shimmery shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Okay, now moving on into the lips, I'm taking Moxie Lip Gloss by Bare Mineral in the shade Life of the Party and just put it all over my lips, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.